I am cementing together the parts that are for the M1919 Christie Tank. Notice that there are very few parts to this model. Vargas Scale Models suggests using cyanoacrylic adhesive, commonly called CA, for the entire build in their instruction sheet. First part to cement in place is the machine gun onto the top turret. Note that I am wearing a glove to handle the parts, as they have been thoroughly cleaned with mild soapy water. Notice that I'm applying the CA liberally, as this bottle is starting to go bad and I want to use it up. Next is the large main turret, followed by the main gun. Lastly, I am cementing the small top turret to the large turret and setting the entire model aside for a few hours to allow the CA to cure. In painting the 3D printed M1919 Christie Tank, I am using our specially formulated paints designed specifically for 3D printed and cast resin parts and models. All of these colors are in the TCP 1500 series and can be used on any 3D printed part or model. All of the 1500 series have a relatively high percentage of adhesion promoters added. Since we are doing only one model at this time, I am spraying the paint from a paint cup attached to our Vega 2000 airbrush, fitted with a medium or 0.5 millimeter tip with the pressure set at 30 psi. The first color to apply is TCP 1520 Forest Green. The tank assembly and extensions are being painted in this section. On the assembly, I sprayed the upper surface first, then after drying, the bottom part of the assembly and the extensions. The highly detailed 3D printed tracks are being painted TCP 1530 matte steel on both sides in this section of this video. Note that I'm using a modified technique for these tracks. Because of the detail and complexities of the track teeth, gears, and suspension, be sure to not only turn the tracks for complete coverage, but angle the airbrush as needed to spray every nook and cranny. Notice how smoothly we are applying this color directly from a production bottle of TCP 1530 without the use of any thinner or other additives. This is normal for every military and 1500 series paints in our product lines. If you have any questions about techniques explored in this video, or general questions about this build, please post your questions in the comments section below.